turn on the sound booth in order to work on your project, first you'll need to get a key to enter it. Those are available from me or from the stage manager of the show that happens to be running when we're working on our projects. All right, so as you enter the sound booth, there's a number of different things you have to turn on. The first thing I recommend is starting with the mini Mac computer, and there's a little button right here in the corner, and you'll hear it make its lovely little startup noise. Next, you want to turn on the power button in the center strip right here. By turning that on, that will send power to the light console. Now, by simply pressing this button once and releasing, you'll start a startup sequence, and you'll notice that the LED will come to life, the lights will come on, a number of different things will happen. And it takes a little while. You'll notice the status bar powering up, and once it's all the way powered up, what you'll see is that our faders will jump to the last position that they were in. They're motorized faders, so they have the ability to remember where they were. And there they go. All right. Next, you want to come up here to the rack. Now there are two interfaces. This is the one we're currently using, the Tascam US16-8. You just need to turn that on. This interface takes sound from the computer and feeds it along a data cord to the interface, and then the interface feeds these 8 inputs, which are represented by these 8 channels on the board. The final thing you need to do in order to bring sound into the theater is to come over here and turn the amps on. Now, we're only running 8 amps, but we take 5 to get 8 channels that work because these are old. So we're going to turn all 5 amps on way up at the top here. If you have problems reaching it, I have a handy dandy stool that you can stand on so you can reach better. All right. Everything is on. Now you can open your projects and start working with sound. One note, if for some reason you're not getting sound, one of the things to check is that these channel buttons are on, because if they're off, they're not gonna make any sound. Likewise, if you have microphones plugged in, if they're not working, they also need to be on. At the moment we don't have any microphones, so I'll turn those off. All right, that's how to turn on the sound in the sound booth in the Dows.